Little birdie.
Just very carefully.
Why are you doing this? Cause
Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa.
we got
Okay,
him.
now before.
He's injured, kinda.
Well, she's
Is
very,
there any-
very tired.
Here.
She
I would
just wanted
put
bugs.
her like back here where she's safe, so she doesn't feel like she
Do
needs
we
to.
need to wash her feet?
Yeah, we should.
Or her feet.
I don't think it's too
Oh,
bad.
they'll clean them. I think she can clean those.
Oh, the poor thing.
Yeah. Good to go.
She's all right.
We're good.
Yay!